Oh, it's cooler times 2000. Gang, gang to my cats, sub to all my ducks. Just want to thank everybody in the past week who subscribed. I've been having so much fun with NFTs. And honestly, it's been a really tough year for me. And I'm sure for a lot of people. And collecting JPEGs of penguins and ducks just seems like a better way to live life, honestly. So thank you for everybody for subscribing or hitting like. I just want to go over some cheat sheet terms for you guys. I want to explain NFT 101 because sometimes these terms we use are tougher to understand than the movie Inception. So just want to get into my sniper gang cheat sheet here for you guys. First off, we're going to start with project. Now, a project is a collection that may or may not have utility. Basically, if Picasso had made all his paintings have some sort of utility. He'd have a roadmap. So that would mean that, let's say I bought one of Picasso's paintings. That means, maybe a year from now, I would get another free Picasso painting, and i.e. an airdrop. Or maybe he would collab with another artist and I would get that airdrop to me. Or maybe because I held my Picasso project, I would receive tokens every time it's resold in the market. So that's a part of a project's roadmap. Liquidity, it's Ethereum you own that hasn't been converted to NFTs. Basically, it's impossible to have any Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet without immediately wanting to buy more NFTs. So liquidity is just your imagination. Mint is buying NFT directly from the source instead of secondary. So that's going to a smart contract or going to a project's website and actually buying the project for like 0.04, 0.06 instead of buying it on resale. That's a mint. You're getting it brand new. Gas, that's the price tax of having your transaction confirmed on blockchain. Again, gas is just a state of mind. Don't even worry about how much it costs because in the end, you're going to have JPEGs. Floor, it's the minimum price you can buy an NFT at. And then the opposite of a floor is a rug. When the rug is pulled from underneath your feet, it's a pump and dump. You're caught with the bag. Basically, when a bunch of crypto people start tweeting and promoting a project and then shill it all the way up and then dump it. I'll actually move down to shill here because I just said it. That's a shameless promotion. Basically, it's the guy from college who would always promote Tuesday ladies night and no one would ever go. It's just a shill, someone who's promoting something that may or not be good. Wrecked means wrecked. Basically, somebody who might have lost a gas war or invested in some NFTs that did horribly, you got wrecked. Uh, Ape is to invest heavily into something, basically beating your chest, grabbing as many NFTs from a mint or investing more than what your portfolio really is. That is aping into a project. PFP, profile picture. No, this isn't, you and your girlfriend in Tulum as your Facebook profile picture. This is a PFP generative project, whether it's a CryptoPunks or Bored Ape Yacht Club, PFP. Derivative is a copycat that are either blatant ripoffs or fun spins on the art, i.e., like a fast food punks. Basically, they're just using a pre-existing art and adding a spin to it. I like to stay away from these because at any moment, let's say Larva Labs, who created CryptoPunks, could easily just like sue these people or have them DMCA'd. Again, DMCA is just a copyright infringement. So I like to stay away from those type of derivatives. Metaverse. It's immersive digital world. Think the movie Ready Player One. Basically, it's our future. It's also a buzzword a lot of people use without really even being gamers or appreciating what it could be. Metaverse. Again, we're going to have an SAT test at the end of this, so make sure you're paying attention. Um, Alpha, somebody used this the other day to me, and I just nodded along. That's basically intel. That's information that you're gaining. Um, it's the opposite of being a beta cuck. Um, delisting. That's removing your NFT listing on OpenSea, usually when the floor is lava, which means, let's say the floor is at 1 ETH and you go on to your sales bot Twitter account or whatever, or you just see a bunch of tweets and you see that the floor is going up to 1.2, 1.4, 1.6. You might want to delist because you're going to get wrecked by somebody who's buying up a now highly valuable NFT from you. So you'll see a lot of people say delist your apes, delist your punks. The floor is lava. A lot of people are buying right now. GMI. Basically, if you've hit subscribe to this channel, you are GMI. You're going to make it. NGMI are the people who haven't subscribed yet. You're not going to make it, sadly. And then Wagma, as I like to say, we all going to make it. I really think anyone who's watching this NFT video right now, September 2021, this video is going to go into the historical archives. I mean, we all going to make it. We're here so early. But remember, DYOR, do your own research. Like I said, don't just follow me, even though I have tons of blue chip projects. Like I'm one of the few YouTubers out here who actually has a great collection. I'm not just somebody who's just regurgitating what other people are saying. But make sure to DYOR, do your own research. And I have some other videos talking about how you can do that. NFA, not financial advice. This is something people hide behind, I think, in my opinion, because they don't want to get blamed for other people making mistakes. But I like to plant my flag in the ground and tell you guys what I'm buying, what I'm into. So I'm not going to say this isn't financial advice, but that's what that means. And then IRL McDonald's, that's where we might be working if everything goes into a bear market. I might be handing out French fries and McNuggets and Happy Meal toys. I might even hand out, you guys got to see, I got Turbo Man in the back here from the movie Jingle All the Way. I got some other cool toys back there, but I might be handing them out at McDonald's if everything goes bare. Because I've invested a lot and I believe in this so much. So let's just delete IRL McDonald's. We eat at Chick-fil-A. And then Sniper Gang, this is everyone who's watching. Wagma, we gonna make it. So guys, that's pretty much it. Like if you know all these words, you can pass yourself off as an NFT trader. If you have any questions on any other terms you've heard recently, please leave a comment. And like I said, thank you so much for everybody who subscribed, who's watching this. Again, it's been such a crazy, tough year for I think everyone. I won't just speak for myself. And this is such a fun thing to do. So let's have fun doing it. And then also 10X. All right, guys, talk to you later.